In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF using ILovePDF. This powerful online tool is particularly user-friendly, making it a favorite for anyone looking to make quick edits to their PDF documents without the hassle of downloaded software. So let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to the ILovePDF website. Simply type ILovePDF into your search engine, and it should pop up as the first result. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a wide array of PDF options, but for now, we are focusing on editing. Find and click on the Edit PDF option. This feature allows you to add text, shapes, images, and even draw directly on your PDF document, offering a broad range of editing possibilities at your fingertips. Now that you're in the Edit PDF section, the next step is to load the PDF document you want to work on. Locate and click the Select PDF File button, and this will bring up a file dialog box. Navigate through your computer's directories until you find the PDF you've been wanting to edit. Select it and hit Open. The website will take a moment to upload your file. Depending on the size of your PDF and your internet connection, this could be almost instantaneous or take a few seconds. With your document uploaded, you're ready to start making modifications. You have several tools at your disposal. To add text, click on Add Text, then click anywhere on the document where you want the text to appear. A text box will appear into which you can type your desired content. For images, click Add Image and choose an image file from your computer, which you can then reposition and resize on your PDF. You can also draw freehand or add predefined shapes by selecting Draw or Shape options respectively. Experiment with these tools to match your editing needs. Once you're satisfied with the edits, take a moment to review your changes to ensure everything looks good. When you've confirmed your changes, click on Edit PDF to apply them. The site will process your modifications, which again can take a few moments depending on your connection speed and file size. Finally, it's time to save your new document. If you're happy with your edits, click on the Download PDF option. This step is straightforward as it automatically prompts a download of your new file. You can choose to save it in the same location on your computer or a new destination. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a PDF using ILovePDF. With just a few clicks, you can customize your PDF documents to suit your personal or professional needs. Keep practicing with different files to grow comfortable with all the features this online tool offers. Happy editing!